Hello, I am going to show how to change the mesh of window screen. So I had this mesh. I'm changing to aluminum. It's a black color aluminum mesh. I had this old mesh which is attacked by insect, and I see a lot of damage and insects are going inside. And I put some scotch tape, but I think it does not look good. So, and this is like a fiberglass mesh. It's getting damaged very quickly by insects. Insects can cut and break it. Or so I'm putting some aluminum. It's a little bit stronger than the fiberglass, and to survive longer than fiberglass. So aluminum is a little bit hard to put into the rail. So first when you put this, I put this new mesh of aluminum, and you use there are two sides of this roller. So the other side, which is flat side, you can use for pressing the mesh into the rail. And once you press the rail, then you put this spline. So this is called spline. It's basically rubber string that holds the mesh into the frame. So there are different kind of spline. So I got this is the diameter of the spline is 0.36 centimeter. There is another one which is bigger, is 0.41 centimeters. So you must check what is the railing size where the spline will fit properly. So I have started putting. So first you remove the spline, remove the old net, and then put a new net, and then you put 4 clamps at least 3 corners of the frame so that it will hold the mesh flat. And then you start working from one corner. You just press this using the other side of the roller. So this side has a concave kind of thing, so it will press the rubber spline into the railing. Hope you like the video. Thanks.